Okay, so as far as room back here now. Alright, so we're going to have, we've got all this area right here. Not so much on this side, but we do have a lot more down in this area, which is going to be completely blank and open. There is no bottom on these things. If you go by one, you'll notice that it's completely open down here. So my thought was to build a piece that encloses this entire bottom area, and then putting the power supply down in this area. And if you know, none of this stuff runs very high voltage, so I don't think I'm going to need to have active cooling. But possibility, and I thought, well, if I'm going to have to put a fan in here, you know, it's going to have to come out the back here or come down the bottom somewhere. So, you know, I think I'll put the battery, power supply, stuff like that down in this area here, and then keep the audio circuitry up in here close to this. Let's see. Because I can connect this right here. Definitely have to shorten this up a little bit. Yeah, I'll shorten this up. There's some goop here. So I'll resolder these wires, because we were going to put this on the front because of the audio jack. And this should be on and off button. Okay, let's see what we've got as far as dimensioning here. Okay. And this is a volume control knob. So this looks like it's in about the same plane. The headphone jack, so if this was mounted up against the wood, or up against this plastic actually, so we'll place it in here and put this in here to where they really poke out, so you have audio on and off, and then headphone jacks and your volume control. You can put it on the front here or on the sides. I have to think about that a little bit. Oh, I also have a touch. I was going to put a mechanical switch because the capacitive touch button or contact that I have will not fit in this area. Well, I found another one on eBay, so I just ordered another one. So we can start working on this circuitry and getting all this crap done. So I'm going to go down in there like so. So let's start working on this audio circuitry. All right. looks a little bit better. Okay, so we have that, and we're just going to have to hook power into here. So we've got 12 volts, 5 volts. I'm going to try to find out where to hook 5 volts directly into the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, that might be my next move. I think that's going to be my next thing. Figure out exactly where I'm going to run power and dig up a power supply. So let me do that. We'll be back.